We can apply automatic numbering to an article with multiple chapters to make it more clear. Take this document as an example. Click Edit. Click the Tool icon, and in the Home tab, click the More icon to enter the numbering interface. We have three types of numbering: bullets, numbers, and levels. Select the headings, and then select the type of numbering to finish numbering. Now let's come to multi-level numbering. We have set multi-level numbering for this article, but all the headings here are numbered as Level 1. How can we set them as Level 2 and Level 3? Select a Level 1 heading, and click Decrease to decrease its numbering level. We can also select Level 2 or Level 3 headings and click Increase to increase their numbering level. Note that a Level 1 heading cannot be increased to a higher level. Sometimes we need to renumber the headings according to different chapters. We can click Restart to clear the numbering of selected headings. If automatic numbering disorder caused inconsecutive numbering, we could click Continue to rearrange them. We can also use automatic numbering on PC, enjoying more abundant and convenient functions.